We have a later freewheeler, body coloured cowl, side vents actually on the bonnet, antique, bonnet catches, headlamp, stone guards, eared spinners, beautiful metallic dark green. It's almost black until you get the sunlight on it. Quilted leather, heated seats, Brooklands steering wheel, Footlocker. As far as Euro 3, so it has the lower ride height compared to the very last ones. Only 4,600 miles. Extremely well looked after example. It's obvious that the car has spent a lot of its life indoors. Available for Alamite Sports Cars, 01234 750 205. Thank you for viewing.